Hey guys, in this video I want to show you the new bag I recently added in my collection, and I also have a few pieces for beach wear, holidays, swimming pool outfits that I got from the brand Berlook. So if that is something you are interested to see, keep watching and let's get to the video. So guys, by the title of this video, you already know that the bag I want to reveal is from the brand LOEWE. This is my first time buying something from this brand, but I was looking at this bag for many years. I always wanted this bag in my collection, but I never bought it and I only saw it getting more expensive. So because right now this bag is very popular, I went to the website from BEACHWEAR Collective, which is a second-hand retailer, and I found the bag. I found the bag that I wanted. The person who was selling the bag said the bag is new, it comes from the package, comes with everything, but I don't like the color. So I thought, okay, maybe this is the bag. And I looked at the bag for a few days and I made an offer and they accepted my offer. I ordered the bag. And the bag is here with me. I really love it. As you can see, here is the DOS bag, and it has the LOEWE logo here on the side. It is a very thick material, and guys, it still smells like new. This is what excites me the most. And the bag I want to show you is the LOEWE puzzle bag, and the size is small. The color, I don't know what the color is, the exact name, but it is a dark brown. This is not the tan and not the caramel. A friend of mine told me that this is called dark caramel. I'm not sure. I have to see it, and when I find the name of the color, I will leave it in the description box below. But the bag, as you can see, it has a perfect condition and it is the perfect color for my wardrobe, and also has the gold hardware, which is what I always love on a bag. This bag is like a dream come true for me, and as you can see, it is fantastic. It has two straps, so one top handle, and I have it here inside. It has another strap, which is the shoulder and crossbody strap, which is, this strap is adjustable, so it is fantastic. The bag is new, for real. I really love it, and let me know if you want me to make a review of this bag and give you all the details with sizes and everything that fits on the bag. I see that here on YouTube you have so many videos with the LOEWE puzzle bag because it is a very popular bag. But if you want me to do it, I do it. I do a review with my beautiful bag. Now let's get to the second part of this video. So guys, we changed the scenario a little bit here because now I want to show you these beautiful pieces I got from the brand Berlook. Most of these pieces are beach holiday wear, but I am also going to show you how you can style these pieces for other occasions. For example, for your city summer outfits. What I like from this brand is that they promote a sustainable lifestyle while staying comfortable and stylish. They only use eco-friendly materials to reduce the impact or the environmental impact from our wardrobes. And the first item I want to show you is this 100% linen dress. This dress in color beige has an elastic waistband, and the straps are also with elastic. It also has an extra strap at the back to hold the dress on place. I really love the open back of this dress and the length and the wide skirt. The color is beige and I really love it because it goes with everything. Most of my clothes is also in color beige. And as you can see here on the side, the way I style this dress is appropriate to use it in the summer in the city, or to go out with friends, to go for a lunch, for example, or why not in the evening. I use it with my Chloe sandals, sunglasses, and a bag, and I really love it. It is made with 100% flax linen. Flax is the plant they use to create the linen, and the quality is amazing when I touch it. I really love it. Now, another item is this set, which is also on 100% linen. The color is light blue, and I love it. I love the trousers. For example, they have 2 pockets on the sides and an elastic waistband. They are super long. I roll it 2 times up, as you can see here on the video. I really love it. It is also 100% linen, and the quality is amazing. Another dress I really love is this one in color orange. It is white with 2 pockets on the sides and an open back. It also has an extra tie to tie it at the back here, and so that the dress is not falling off or getting loose. The way I style this dress is appropriate for in the city or to walk on the resort or as a cover up. I really love it. And this dress has been made with 100% viscose. It is very soft material, and it's a little bit satin, as you can see, a little bit shiny or reflective, I would say, but I love it. And now I have another sort of dress cover up, and this one is made with lyocell and viscose, but the fabric is very airy and very soft and fresh. It has it has an elastic waistband, but as you can see, it is open on the front, at the back, and on the sides, which is very cool for when you have your bikini on and then you wear this. It has a deep V neckline at the front and also at the back, a white skirt, and has 2 openings on the side. I really love it, and I am going to try it with the swimsuits I am about to show you, but it is beautiful. The quality is amazing and very soft material. I think this will be very fresh and airy. I see myself wearing this at the beach with my sandals, and I love it. It's a very nice, amazing quality, I have to say, from these pieces from Berlook. I love it. Now I have 2 swimsuits to show you. Wait a second. So I have a blue one, and a cyan is the color, which is a bit of a mermaid green. I hope you see it well. And these ones have like a metallic fabric and has a lot of elasticity, and they really cinch your waist and get your body like form. They have an open back, and this is it, 2 straps and an open back. They also have a little, how you say that, there's the logo of the brand here at the back, which gives a more expensive look. Now, what I like from these swimsuits is that they go high here on the hip. I really love it, and as you can see, I tried this swimsuit as well with the dress with the white cover up, and it looks good. Next, I have a cover up, which is this shirt style, and it's a very long one at the back. As you can see, I'm wearing it with the Shein. That's the name. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct, but it's like the greenish mermaid green swimsuit, and I am using it with this shirt on top. This shirt is a cover up, as I said, and I took this one because it's longer at the back, as you can see, and as you can see it here. And I took white because I could use it as a cover up, but also together with these shorts, these linen shorts that I got also from Berlook. I really love them, and they have this 100% flax linen material, which makes them look a little bit more expensive and more high quality. They are high quality, and I love it. You see how I tied the shirt in here, and then I use it with this. Now, the last item that I have to show you is this bodysuit in color white. And what I like from this bodysuit is the short sleeves, but also it is lower at the back. As you can see here on the side, I styled it for my Instagram and I really love it. Everybody asks me, where did you get that bodysuit? Because it looks very good quality. I don't know what the material is. I will have to check the material, but I am wearing size small. Guys, I will leave everything in this video in the description box down below, including the sizes of all the items and my sizes, so you have an idea of how the sizes run for this brand. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I am posting daily summer outfits. Everything will be in the description box below, including my LOEWE bag. And please let me know if you want a review of my new LOEWE puzzle bag. Then I will be happy to make that video. And hope to see you on my next one.